Good evening, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all as host for this session today. Without further ado, let me call upon my good friend and past secretary, Mr. Johnson Matthew, who is also the elected member of the National Council from the Southern region, to give a short introduction. Welcome facilitators, Mr. Golden. Johnson, sir, please take over, sir.
Yeah, good evening, all of you. In fact, I'm very happy to welcome our resource person for the day, psychologist Vipin V. Roldan. And he's going to talk to us on a very, very unique topic, that is emotional and mental well-being of employees during COVID-19. I think it's a very relevant topic in today's context. We might be listening to many talks, but knowing Vipin for the last few years, I'm sure it will be a totally different series, and there's a new dimension. As you know, psychologist Vipin V. Roldan is a performance psychologist. He's a corporate trainer. He's a behavior coach, and he has got his own performance studio in Kakinada. I was interacting with him earlier. He has done even programs in some of my earlier organizations, and he has even trained a lot of important people. He started training people in the jail, giving training to them. That was one unique thing he has done initially. Then he started training people in various corporates, and in between, he was very fortunate to train, very leading film stars, including Mohanlal. He was narrating that incident where he trained the entire, Kerala Blasters team that time, where Mohanlal was the captain. So we are getting a very unique person with a very totally different profile, and I'm so much impressed with the performance psychologist, aspect. And I'm sure today's session will be that way, very interesting. As you know, in HR, I think, we all need to be more oriented to psychology. I'd say the HR managers need to have a psychological mind in tackling the organizational issues. So in that context, we are getting a very, very relevant person. We at NIPM, our senior leaders are here, our upcoming managers are here, practicing managers are here, and few of the students are here. We'll be extremely delighted to listen to psychologist Vipin V. Roldan. With the concurrence of all of you, let me extend a hearty welcome to Mr. Vipin. And over to you, Mr. Vipin, for the session. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And powerful introduction. Of course, even from this is a great platform. Many of you are actually familiar for me. Even my Dr. Of course, Johnson Matthew sir is of course really connected, and Dr. George Sliba. Hi, sir, and hi. I think many face, of course, with the secretary Anish Arvind. This I think even before this program I connected, and I tried to just say 1 minute, 2 minutes hi to you all. I think Mr. Ravindran Sai sir, thank you. Shivadas Menon, Mr. Shivadas Menon, yes. Hi, good evening, Mr. I think some of you are really definitely so senior and leaders in the industry, and this is my regards to you, Mr. Vokichan Peta. Hi, good evening, and Mr. Murali Tayed. Good evening, Mr. Gilbert D'Souza. Yeah, Mr. Anil Kumar G. Hi, Mr. Joe and Anil Kumar. Hi, Mr. Anand. Thank you. Ms. Sharma Sandeep. Hi, right, Mr. Muhammad. Sahanas, thank you. Hi, Mr. Ashok Kumar, Mr. P.T. George, Mr. K. Suresh. Hi. A couple of names actually not there because Motorola One Fusion. I got confusion. So no problem. I'm Mr. Akhil Thiruvattur and Mrs. Rashni. Hi. Dr. David Morales. Hi. Joe Stacco. There's a nice photo. Hi. Thank you. I think a couple of also there. Even in between, I may miss because Mr. K. Suresh. Hi. Roshni John, hi, good evening, Ms. Akhil Thiruvat, and hi Ranjana, hi from Saim, and Ms. Jitin, hi. And a couple of faces actually coming and going, Mr. K.P. Philip, and many people are there, and I try to catch in between also. Thank you so much for the invitation. And as Mr. Johnson Matthew, of course, said, my journey, my career started with the Central Prison, Pujapura Central Prison. I was associated with the welfare department. I was among around 2,000 so-called hardened criminals. There's only so-called, maybe some one murder or two murders, kind of things. Okay, but there are different kinds of people. Actually, the one attended. But exactly, my career started with acting a subject with the so-called Malayalathi, the quotation people around with 8 people with a pure quotation. The behavior change of the people, actually, I learned from the jail, prison department and health and family department, especially in the initial period, later to district jail, then to central prison, and I remember also finally was with open prison. There are around, that is also welfare activities. Suppose one, their human resources activities was there with the welfare officer, and their kind of process with around 500 acres are there in, then people are actually walking freely. Those kind of things are there. One way or another way, those moments actually still cherishing. So regarding nowadays, actually, we are also imprisoned one way or another way. Our people also imprisoned because we are actually in our own walls. There are lots of emotional and psychological issues are going on. I hope definitely there are lots of sessions are going on. I have a great request to you. Kindly accept me as one among you, and because you are all senior leaders of legends in HR are here, and living live practitioners are here, and of course upcoming HR leaders are here, HR students are here. So if you accept me kindly, because we can also have kind of interaction. If possible, there is a reaction button is there. Could I get some reaction, because it's a part of motivation? All right. If you are familiar with this reaction button, that is also good for me. Good for me. Thank you so much. And before going to the session, there is another thing, because HR is, of course, HR. There are we need actual kind of a physical and emotional balance is also very important. Could I get your participation? Can you just raise the hands? And this is a virtual club, of course, you know. Can you just can we start with a virtual kind of a this is actually everyone can Cecil yourself, because of the interactive participation. Oh wow, super, because when in Asha and Ashram, but here all Ashans are doing well, and super process. Actually, my reaction is also there for you. Great, thank you. And see, because HR actually the backbone of the company, of course, we know. I'm trying to share a couple of information. Most of the things actually you are well aware about, you are the faculties on that. At the same time, certain areas we need to discuss. We can go for it. Actually, emotional and mental well-being of employees during COVID-19. This is core topics actually. As I mentioned, as a person was there in my initial career. Then the current reality is actually pandemic has affected and will continue to affect the mental and well-being of employees will be definitely affected. One way or another way, as I mentioned, we are in period of uncertainty. This is also a kind of a cage. No certain end date for this pandemic. That is a tragedy. No idea what the landscape will look like even at the end of the process. There was a movie, I think 2012. There was. I hope you see the movie. If anybody could watch the 2012 the movie, if you could watch actually either with chat, he can give me yes, or he can give me thumbs up or something.
Yes.
2000. Yes. Thank you. If you miss the 2012. I think this is not the right period to watch that movie. If you have some kind of any difficulty, especially with the heart-related issues, okay, you can avoid the movies. Such movies now, because there are actually irrespective of age and respect to the profession, is actually affecting us badly. This scenario, but that movie is also give a kind of a fear factor for us. Let us just look into this slide. Dear employees and our organizations and our people, our students, our children and our families going smoothly like this. Suddenly, actually, we had, of course, Corona came.
Just in a Zoom meeting.
Yeah, what to do? So,
Zoom meeting.
People still
able to hear what you are.
I think, could you host can help me? I'm between the science. Okay, thank you. All right. but some people, of course, with the mental toughness, they went through, but some people again, they tried, and they're also they went. But maybe some of the employees, some of our people, actually they have some struggling. They are going forward, struggling to go forward, but at the same time they're unable to move forward. That was a scenario actually actually happening now. So this is kind of a this is kind of a thing actually. It is happening here because unprecedented events impact employee focus. They're focusing something else. I don't know whether agree with me or as per the reports, even if something happened to me, their focus is one way or another way is connected. Even for the most highly motivated employees, if you move in abruptly from social office environment, that's called social office environment, into unfamiliar, remote environment can cause stress and anxiety in some people. Okay, not for everyone, but at the same time, the quarantine or the lockdown period or work from home is actually creating that kind of thing. Based on the personal consultation and in our behavior studio, many of the companies actually sending their people to us directly or indirectly based on their parameters and our connection. And this kind of issues also they're facing, of course, take twice as long to complete a task as they would normally, and struggling to prioritize their workload when usually they are able to do. It was easy for them. It was beginning. And fever overeating, physically exhausted, yet in reality doing less physically. But that's also another concern. In any case, there should be of course, there are some 5%, 10% will be different from any social challenges. And increasingly feeling angry. There are greater conflict both at home and work. I have got two clients actually, they are actually having the difficulty with anger. But why these two clients in my mind is both as corporate professionals, so-called maybe working under HR. Yeah, maybe one actually is a great professional who's a leading decision maker. And iPhone 10, I think 2 iPhone 10 got collapsed within a month. So almost nearly 1.5 lakhs or something got collapsed because of the anger. And he wanted to resolve the issue somehow. So he taken for anger management therapy, just gave for in behavior studio. Unable to manage the emotions is very important. It's going on. Job insecurity of the main people, of course. Even HR is also struggling to who is best and who is actually there in life for furlough, and everything is there. Feeling of distress one way or another way, and feeling of being unsafe, and that part is also even one way. It is also is affecting, and at the same time. There was, of course, in the financial aspects, is even salary cut is there for everyone, including maybe including for HR. I don't know, even for many people actually, financially they're really upset because even from people. By the advice of HR team, the senior management team, some of the people actually came to Behavior Studio for that emotional stress management, personal catharsis process, just because unable to handle the people there, because too much time is actually moving on. There's a corona is actually making so much an issue. It is actually moving our entire business down, and because all pressures may come to HR because of the choosing the right people. Or I don't know whether I'm in the right track, but I think hope you will accept these facts. And this is also going on. It is really thing. Our employee, maybe the smart employee, is actually he's trouble with lots of issues, limitation, risk, stress, crisis, worries. These are the common issues that join. Could I get a feedback? Am I, John sir, and please, if you are comfortable with the chat, is it actually valid with our industry? Is it actually, if I get yes or no, is good for me to move? You can also use chat. I will put a hi. Yes, and you can also, even for certain things, I prefer to have some kind of, yes, thank you, Mr. Anish, and yeah, thank you, because it's a kind of interactive process. There are hundreds of virtual tools are there, but I'm almost avoiding many things for this is kind of an introductory processes. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for the comments. Chat, kindly use chat box even for the, and many people got stuck in the crisis, and this is kind of an exact picture for many. And even suicide rates are increasing, and even because of the salary cut are many things, and even for the business lab cages, companies also moving differently in difficult situation. And this is, of course, we know this fact, but the stressed out scenario need to be addressed. That's why we are here. This is because some people actually, for the maladaptive behavior pattern, they're moving to the addiction behaviors, and they have their own addiction, any kind of addiction behaviors they're moving. And but in this scenario, of course, this topic is, you know well, but what is mental health actually? Emotional, physiological, and social well-being. There are lots of things are there. With the proper physical health and mental health is also very important. Why does mental health matter is very important. When we are physically ill, definitely, our bodies also perform the task, and we usually would carry on without any problem. By the way, are you suffering with any physical ailment? Even maybe any kind of difficulties, even any kind of ache, any kind of problem, it's a cardiac or any kind of skin problem, any kind of stomach problem. If it is there, we know that even simple, even for the throat itching also, we have our own struggles. Am I right? Yes or no? Am I right? You can also use your reaction button. Those who are okay, others please just be there. And if you are not physically fit, kind of, we can do our performance better. This is what even students also can use the chat box even if you're really okay. And in exact same way, I mean, if our mental health impacted, we can struggle to carry out daily tasks, and our ability to perform work is of course impacted exactly as I wrote here. Why? Because I'm feeling dull, I'm feeling out, nothing to do, what to do? Even you are looking for some couple of staff or a couple of people, even with our children also. Thank you. Kindly give this kind of feedback, because this is kind of a virtual process. Today I had a virtual trainers training program for the Pan India principals. So just before this program, because there are lots of tools used for this platform. As one is of course that, one is of course some other things as even with this limited thing. So exactly as the physical and as the mind, we need the specific focus. If we can give, then only we can move forward. What are the actually signs of employee having their mental health impacted? Suppose I'm just asking, maybe the reduced quality of work or increased errors. By the way, could I get just have a great look on it, because after this, I think you can just pick any of this very important point of concerned organization as per your knowledge. Increased sick leave may come, incomplete projects may come, consistently seeming fatigue or overtired, kind of psychological fatigue is there. Yeah. And being vague or seeming unfocused, what we can say, because maybe there hello, I think there is in between some interruption of internet. Yeah, this is exactly like our life and like our career and like our activities. So you can also say, even because lots of difficulties are there, but how we are handling such difficulties, that is very important. Thank you internet, and thank you nature for the exact feeling. I am telling is actually, yeah, kind of issue, and yeah, increase irritability or conflict with others, seeming unmotivated or disinterested in work, and such issue. Altering work pattern, replaying to emails late or early in the morning, kind of, even some micro changes are there. Even the micro changes are there. Could I get one immediate response? Are these points are relevant to us? Even with voice, you can tell. Are these points are really relevant to us? I'm just stopping the video.
Yes. The screen is not visible. The screen is not visible. Your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible. I think whether my audio is okay.
Audio is okay. Audio is okay.
Normally,
the screen was black, Vipin.
No. Now I'm not sharing the screen. Now
Okay.
I'm not sharing the screen.
Okay.
Just before that, I just shared the screen. I stopped the sharing. Just for a post, I asked, is it the scenario is actually true or is it there in the organization, which I asked. Thank you for the response. Is there anything to add? That was, I just, it's okay. Right. I think I'm just continuing because we have many things to finish off. Is it visible now? Is it visible now?
No.
I think is it? I think the screen is visible here, but if it is not visible, I think our voice is there. Is it okay?
Voice is there, but the screen is blank.
Okay. I think let me check for a moment. Actually, what just sharing. Let me check. Let me check.
Yeah. Now it is coming.
Yes, perfect. Yes.
It is coming. It is coming.
Yeah, no, it's clear.
Just before that, this was the earlier slide. This was the earlier slide, which I already completed. Is it visible there?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I'm moving. We know the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Now it's actually looking for self-actualization, self-esteem. Okay, there are lots of controversy regarding this hierarchy. Of course, we know there are lots of addictions and subtractions. But nowadays, people are focusing only on the physiological and safety needs. That is also normally there. If there is no self-esteem kind of things, actually, this physiological and safety part is.
Vipin, can you please check your
Again,
internet? Maybe
I think
your internet may be having some challenge.
I think there are a couple of internet devices is there because evening this was actually unexpected scenario like the COVID. Okay, so even I'm in between. I'm also trying to change the system because it was there from the beginning. Today's my session now started from 7 o'clock in the morning. Maybe regarding the data issues or maybe regarding some other issue, but actually trying to changing it to something. Hello, is it okay? I'm changing.
Yes.
Yes. Now I went to another system because the operational system, HR system need to be revised like certain changes actually. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for the patience and support from your side. Yeah. And what I mentioned is actually nothing as, and as a manager, what is their mental health to do with me? What should I do in my office? So how an HR manager can improve emotional well-being during COVID-19 and the concern of the welfare of the staff is a key feature of the Grey Leader. And of course, how can we create a supporting environment? Because distress are there, active work hours, lack of availability or responsiveness, and unexpected changes in work product. And definitely, see, our HR leader have loads of things. How can we know these 5 important signs of psychological sign? Is there any personality changer for my employee? Is he agitated? Is he withdrawn? What about the poor whether it is self-care poor or not? Whether he's even with hopeless, right? This kind of things actually there. These 5 points actually remember how to manage a team remotely through even coronavirus. Also, this is very important. Of course, maybe you are doing this is engage, communicate, manage expectation, use the technology available to them, build a resilient workforce with capacity building and already all things. Because the helping employees to manage uncertainty is very, very important. Because new leave policies or flexible working hours, you may already did real-time collaboration you are doing, use of digital technology you are using, maybe lots of things are there. Online learning process also you are introducing, and even continuous employee awareness campaign you may be introduced, and virtual online coffee breaks, kind of a casual coffee break, not for the exact team meeting. And people are just for coffee break, they are coming together, the channel and really immunity booster yoga session or the Zumba dance or things also. Many people introduce, discussing their health and any concern related work they have. We are discussing, arrange confidential online meetings generally we are doing. So they're actually how we are normally the people actually discussing with, even entrepreneurs actually discussing with us, how can we support our team now, maintain a regular contact with our team is a core idea. Try to be honest, authentic, and sincere what we say, and share what we will be finding challenging during this unprecedented time is also very important. And keep staff up to date with the government information, but only use reliable sources, not with the release of the information. Consider how best to manage that within our team, because that's also how we can present certain things also so very, very important. Because the support system is very valid and important, and we need to take care of themselves at the same time take care of ourselves. I'm just asking a quiz. Okay, how many doctors got affected and any idea from your side? You can also put that. And health workers also there. And how many doctors? Is there any idea? Any numbers so far? You can send any number. No problem. You can chat with any number. If you are okay with, you can just open and talk. No problem. How many doctors recently? Even with the global scenario, there are lots of. Anyway, any idea? Otherwise, no problem. And even civil servants, officers also there. Please, my dear great leaders, there are a lot doctors actually affected by because they're not the mismanagement, because we don't know where to touch, where to. Please, our senior leaders, we need to be here. Recently, the senior journalist from, of course, PP Sachindran called me regarding, after all, he's from Madhubhumi, he's a chief in UAE. And regarding, he already wrote his stories regarding the quarantine period and all other things. And even in quarantine period, he said, it's very important thing, whatever the position we had, nothing, no use. Because in between doctors, through this, their TV system, doctors actually communicated with him. When he came back, actually, we had a talk regarding how we can support the people who are in quarantine, how our 25 psychologists or in between the people can support their system. Kind of discussions we had. Only the point is from his article, and it is applicable for me and you and everyone, not only for the employees. Kindly take care of yourself, mask wearing and all other things, and sanitizer usage and everything. Social distancing is also very important. At the same time, communication is key. Frequent updates, of course, required, as I just mentioned. But if my team is don't feel better, definitely we need to address it. And with improving provider access, maybe with a certain stigma required regarding mental health need to be addressed and solved. Providing resiliency and mindfulness support is a psychological other support. Offering increased flexibility in work and for relaxation, music break, chat break, because we need that people very importantly. And there was a case study. It's not a case study. This is a trend of HR system from globally. Our Mind Behavior Studios connected with almost 42 countries and different clients actually coming from different parts of the world. So there is a global VPHR of a multinational organization requested emotional and wellness support for their employees rather than productivity training. He said, we don't want productivity process. Please, we want to ensure our people that you are very important. We care for you. We love you. Your health is very important. Your mind is very important. Please be happy with your wife, kids, and all. You're very, very important to us. So can you just give a different batches of coaching program or a mental health program, especially with the mental emotional wellness program for them? This was the trend which I observed from special. The same company before, even 2 years back, actually, they have called us only for the productivity. We are not bothered about the behavioral training, or we are not at all believe in behavioral training, that kind of things. Actually, we are focusing only on the product-oriented things. And that's a kind of a scenario got changed. And an HR head of a company from Cochin, actually from Infopark region, suggested direct one-to-one consultation of their employees without through the channel of HR system. Even then, suppose even then a person is having a problem, why don't you give the support there and kindly give their names to us, and we will pay you. We will support kind of things are there, because even in this situation, our employee may be hesitated, maybe with kind of a stereotype mood. Maybe HR will know about my mental condition, emotional condition. Even in the next, suppose cutting of the staff, or even then, suppose any situation happen, I may be victimized. So it is better keep it mum. So like the absenteeism, the presenteeism rate will be higher, because of that kind of a thing is also there. Absenteeism, of course, absenteeism is there, but the presenteeism of the, maybe people are in the, of course, as we know, as you all know, the people are available in work from home, or they are available in the office, but their productivity level is so low. This kind of a trend got changed. So kind of the thing, actually, what we are doing is increase the frequency of behavioral and inspirational training, or the support, or the gatherings, or the kind of all focusing on the mind and emotional part is actually the key. There, naturally the productivity and the profitability part will be addressed, because the productivity is very important for us. At the same time, if we are really touching the need of the hour, automatically there is an emotional connect, like a client to a psychologist. Kind of emotional connect will be enhanced, and we can definitely mention that. And emotional professional coaching, where maybe psychologists or organization psychologists or organization coaches or professional life coaches can be addressed in the part of India or the different parts of the company, as those kind of people are actually getting lots of inquiries now. And mental health support with lots of psychologists, clinical psychologists are there. They're working with things. And the same thing, organization psychology, industry organization psychologists, and organization psychiatrists. Actually, they are much aware about how an organization is running, how the things are going, and what should be addressed at the same. Once an HR actually called, because for the pregnant ladies program. There was a pregnant ladies program. They wanted the pregnancy. They want to ensure that this all carrying pregnant ladies, of course, they wanted to inform these people that, see, this kind of exactly wanted to inform that if pregnancy is a natural process, you can perform well. You are so blessed. That kind of message is actually when. Otherwise, they maybe feel that it is kind of a difficult task. Yeah. So this kind of behavioral or the thought pattern change, maybe the application of cognitive behavior therapy required, because automatic negative thoughts need to be addressed. They're engaging, empowering, and energizing the workforce by expressed from various walks of life through webinars, dedicated and organizational processes required. And can you read it actually in between? Yeah. No slide change. Which slide actually you are seeing now? Which slide is you are seeing now?
I am just a manager, that slide.
So the slides.
I am just a manager.
Moving.
Okay. Then you. Okay. I think again, slide is actually. I will just cut it down. Okay. Thank you for the communication. We definitely, there are network issues making lots of struggles. At the same time, let us boys come in. ചിലയിടത്ത് ശരിയാവണില്ല. എന്നാലും എനിക്കൊരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ലൈക്ക് നമുക്ക് കാര്യങ്ങൾ കണ്ടന്റ് നഷ്ടപ്പെടാതെ പറയാൻ ഞാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Yes, right. All right. Can you see now? Is it
not yet?
Yeah.
Yes. Rules of the forest.
Okay. You are getting it. See, based on the virtual trainers training which we are doing, two things are there. One is because of my internet connectivity. One is because of the concerned areas connectivity. So both are actually victims one way or another way. So if any connectivity difficulties there, I will stop and I will restart again. That is, I think that is it. And we are moving almost in the closing part of the session. And the roots of the forest is, we know. Of course, this is survival of today. Is it viewable? Is it there?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Survival of the fittest was the thing there. Now is actually survival of the fastest is very, very important. And how we can move in this scenario, how we can move in this scenario, how we can support our employees, how we can take care of employees by taking care of ourselves. Because we know that there is do or die was actually out of the date. Now do or double do. No die is there because die is actually thanatophobia is actually relevant in the issue. So we need to empower our people from any difficulties, our employees from even from whatever the challenges they have.
Are you trying to show a video?
Hello.
I think we lost him again.
I think there's a connection problem.
I think Vipin has got some net connectivity issues.
Canada started raining also, so maybe.
It's actually his side problem, because if all of us are getting the same problem, that means the problem is with his side. Maybe his internet is low or
Yeah,
something.
sir, welcome. You're facing some connection issues there.
No, he got disconnected actually.
No, he's there. His video got. Let me call it.
Yeah, he's there. But
Calls are also not going.
His audio is also out.
No, he is reconnecting. I spoke to him. He's reconnecting. He'll come again.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
It's our easy meeting also on the same ID meeting, ID code.
ജോസർ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ?
നമ്മുടെ ഈസി മീറ്റിംഗ് ഈ കോഡ് തന്നെയാണോ?
ആ അല്ലല്ല, വേറെ കോഡ്.
രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
അല്ലല്ല, വേറെ മീറ്റിംഗ്സ്.
വേറെ കോഡാണോ?
ആ, അത് നമ്മുടെ ആ ഈസിയുടെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ
കിട്ടി. പക്ഷേ
ഇമെയിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
ഉണ്ട്, കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
അതൊരു കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ. അതാ ഈസി മീറ്റിംഗിൽ 7 PM എന്ന് കൊടുത്തിരുന്നപ്പോ ഇതിന്റെ ലിങ്ക് ആണെന്ന്
മെയില് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടല്ലേ, ലിങ്ക് മാത്രല്ല അയക്കുന്നത്. മെയിലിനകത്തും 2 ലിങ്ക് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
അല്ല, പക്ഷെ വാട്സപ്പിനകത്ത് ആ 7 PM എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ കണ്ടു. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം മറ്റേനകത്ത് കയറി. സോ ദി ഹോസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ആക്ച്വലി അനദർ മീറ്റിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ രവിയെ കോണ്ടാക്ട് ചെയ്ത് രവിയുടെ ടെക്നിക്കൽ സപ്പോർട്ടോട് കൂടിയിട്ടാണ്.
രണ്ടും കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല.
അല്ല, മറ്റേത് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ. ലാൽ സാർ നമസ്കാരം.
ഗുഡ് ഈവനിങ്
ലാൽ സാർ.
സാർ കേറിയോ?
രാജൻ സാർ വന്നു. രാജൻ സാർ കേൾക്കാമോ?
Really?
Hi, welcome back, Vipin.
Yes, welcome back. But at the same time, I am really afraid about the things are, whether it is really connected. So it is really unfortunate at the same time. Oh, sorry.
Maybe your video you can.
Yeah.
Our chairman, Mr. Lal John, has also joined.
Yes, yes. Hi, Laljan sir. Actually, cherish the good memories with Malayalam. Laljan sir.
Hi.
Santosham. Yeah, no problem, no problem. In between connections coming and going, I have 4 devices. Paladinte connectivity is the problem. On the session finishing last slide, I will try to share. I'm so sorry for the mistake, and not the mistake actually. There are even with the high brand connectivity is also there, but unfortunately, things actually connecting to that. I'm moving to the final slides. Yeah.
Yes.
Is it actually visible there?
Black eye. Black eye.
Now
stop it.
So
Maybe
stop sharing your stop the video of yours and then share the screen alone.
maybe.
share
Yeah, because it's a.
Share it.
Is it visible now?
It's visible.
Yes. You can on your video, not an issue.
Yes, yes. I've just I just put it kind of light. Okay, right. Okay, I think see kind of process actually how I shared is actually the very important time for the bounce back. Generally, we need to coach. Anukumaji, hi, sir, hi, and in between I missed to address. And we need the kind of very, very important. Thank you. Very important thing is in Malayalam we will say "Padamuna oru vilapamaayirunnu." Now we are telling us "Padamunnu oru poraatamaayittu varunu." We need to certain understanding regarding our health, and also to maybe the Padam 2 is. Level maybe the lesson 3 is actually preparing our mindset towards a positive outcome, and lesson 4 is actually the reinforcement, the Shakti Pravikal, and of course the lesson 5 will be the focus towards especially even in the struggle we need to focus on the success, and of course the lesson 6 is definitely the winning process, and maybe the part of winners and the part of successful operations. There actually why I'm just sharing all these things, and you are also really cooperated for me regarding the in between unprecedented issues happen, and we also got stuck one way. Johnson sir actually just mentioned and called me, actually we are also stuck. So we don't know. That's health workers actually got affected, and many people actually got affected. Anything can happen for anyone. So there, how we can take care of number 1, our mental health. So because depression scenario, anxiety scenario is it is there even for suicidal thoughts, worthlessness, helplessness, hopelessness scenario is actually alarmingly increasing. So we should take care about ourselves. At the same time, we should take care about our team, and whatever the struggles in between. Like recently the boy said, even then the situation, even the work from home, in the work from office, of course, organizational objectives and organizational goals need to be one way or another way. We need to address or acknowledge our kind of a mode, how we can maintain the spirit of the team is very important. So addressing the health aspects the same way, how can we address the emotional and psychological aspects? So our extended hands and helping minds definitely make drastic change, positive changes in this scenario. This is what I would like to share, and thank you so much for the valuable presence and extended your patience for in between the unforeseen issues happen for my connectivity. At the same time, we are all connected to souls and minds, how we can helping each other, how we can help each other, how we can build each other, because there are legends in HR are here. So our innovations and approaches definitely be an added value to this country in our sector. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you so much. And is there any question and specific question or any communication pattern is there? I'm happy to share.
If participants have any questions, they can maybe raise their hand on the chat or ask the question, so I can unmute you and you all can ask questions. Request the participants, if you all have two options. One, you can use the raise the hand option, or put it up on chat so that Mr. Alden can look at it and answer.
Yeah, exactly. Is there any anything connected to specific thing or mental health scenario? And
so, Mr. Alden, I have a question. So in these last 4 months, what are the kind of some of the problems that have reached you without taking, of course, the confidential aspect? Some of the, in the general, you can give us some bit of what kind of issues reach you as a consultant or a psychologist.
Almost kind of condense I try to include in the process, but it's specifically I will add a couple of things also. There was a senior leader, especially senior leader in the sense, a couple of people approached nearly 7 or 8 people from HR section itself approached for their because of the lack of capacity or the emotional capacity to manage themselves and managing the emotional issues of the concerned staff. You are all leaders, your team members also record kind of emotional and mental health things. That is also one side. Another people actually, they are afraid, especially whether this scenario will be there for our end. Kind of thanatophobia was there. Kind of in Malayalam we will say the marana bhayam. Kind of anxiety regarding attacks was there. Sleeplessness was there, and they're absolutely out of focus what to do in our office and where to go, where to do, and kind of difficult situations also there. And this is all connected with the office side, but the personal side, anchor was a crucial thing. Irritating behavior is actually coming up. It will be reflected in the office also, even from family issues actually got shoot up, and even sex therapy or kind of sex-oriented issues also there, and emotional aspects, family aspects, and interpersonal aspects, and worries regarding anxiety regarding the financial aspects, and connected to the organizational performance and whether I should be there in the company after or after the shuffling. Kind of anxiety part is there with a couple of cases. Even from the beginning onwards, this kind of issue was there, but nowadays it is actually alarmingly high.
Okay, thank you for giving more specifics into it. And, any other questions from any of the participants, attendees? Okay.
Yeah, I think
so,
because I think you are also the time process are there.
So
yeah, I think I personally thanking you for the presence once again, and of course for the chairman Laljon sir and.
Okay, Roland ji, see, it's a pleasure for us to kind of have you around, and so I'm for your information, NIPM Kerala does these evening talks once every month, and we've moved all of those things into an online mode. So, can you hear me? I think your video is frozen, at least in my end. So this is part of the evening talks that we do. So it's we, on behalf of NIPM Kerala, as the secretary, let me express my special thanks to you for taking time out for us and explaining or kind of introducing this whole concept to us in the detail. Okay, I think we lost it. And to the all the participants, thank you for joining us today. Look forward to and wishing you all a great evening ahead. I'll reach out to Mr. Vipin and thank him once again in person. to all the participants that you've joined us, members as well as non-members, senior members of NIPM. Thank you all for joining us. For the executive committee meeting, we've sent another link. Request you all to join in there about 5 minutes time. Thanks and have a great evening ahead.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.